day, friends. It's a beautiful sunny day in the middle of winter. We are Saturday, is it afternoon yet? No, it's 11:40 in the morning on a Saturday morning in the middle of December, and I just want to show off some new tools I bought for fretwork. And you might remember a few years ago I bought the GMC universal fret press system, and I could not get on with it, and I was not happy with it, and I sold it for a big loss. It cost me £450. I sold it for about £280, and I let it go, and I wasn't very happy about it, but I let it go, let it ride. I thought, this is, you know, and there's another tool GMC do. There was nothing wrong with the tool, it's just I didn't like the way it works, because when you press the frets in, it didn't have groove slots. Well, lo and behold, the guy is now doing his jigs with groove slots. So I've gone and bought the intermediate one, which is for pressing guitars with a solid fixed body, you know, not just removable neck ones. And I'm going to show it, and I've only set it up in its simplest form. It's not set up, it's not screwed to a bench or anything, it's just there. That's the piece of kit, and it works on this kind of principle. You've got your coil in there. I've got it wound all the way back. Once you've got your guitar set level, now this is not set how it would be, it will be supported underneath and under the neck, but the principle works. You look in here, and it's just a case of winding down onto the fret and pressing it in. Now these now have a grooved coil in there, so we can press it all the way in. Now this, of course, is going to have to be fixed to another bench, which I'm going to do on a bench I've got over there. But this is just to show the principle there. So I bought some new fretting. This has cost me, posted to my address or posted to the workshop, it's cost me £200. So I'm really quite happy with this. And I'm going to carefully remove this guitar. This is the problem with it. You don't have a lot of room for manoeuvrability. Now this is an SG I've already fretted, or already refretted, but that was just to show you the piece of kit. So there's that one there. So that will help me pressing frets that are on the body of the guitar. So a great piece of kit there. I'm going to bring the camera back up onto me. Not a very professional setup here when it comes to video, but not bothered about that, are we? So that's that piece of kit. There are loads of other bits that came with it, like supports for under the guitar and everything. It's all in this box here. And I think that will save me, no, it won't save me any time because it takes longer to do it this way, but let me just show you how the mechanism works. And that's on there, and that just pushes in, and there you go. And there is with a 12-inch radius coil on that piece of gubbins there. And all you do to get it out is you remove that screw there, and put another one in. So I can change it to any one I want. So that is going to be for over the body. Now once I get to the stage around about a 14, 15 fret where I can do it just with a hand press, I've actually gone and bought a hand press. I'll show you that in a second, but I'll just show you that from GMC Tools here down in South Wales. And that is that one out of the way. The other piece of kit I've bought is from Canada, and I've got it out. I haven't got all the bits right here right now, but this is a hand press. Now this again has cost me about 180 quid, but this is a hand press. So that goes underneath there, and you put whichever coil you want in there. And look at it, it's really heavy duty, it's fantastic, and it gives me got a lot of leeway pressing frets, and this is removable. So that's for when we're under the neck, obviously. When we're under the heel, we've got this piece, or under the flat bit. We can get that in there, look, pretty much the same thing. And when we are underneath the bit where the heel and the neck join, and it rolls down like that, we've got this little piece here. And it just slips on, like so. And how good is that? And this should have cost me about 150 quid, but I ordered it the wrong way. I got my wife to buy it in Canada, presuming she was going to bring it through customs, and she didn't. She posted it to me, so it cost 55 quid to post to me. So I spent an extra 55 quid where I could have just got it posted to England, and then the import tax on top. I got it done for £25 import tax and VAT. So this has cost me, should have cost me about 150. It's cost me 185, but a great piece of kit. So that is the new kit I've got for fretting, because we all know I like to work on frets. It's my main thing, and I think that is just about all I've got to show you right now. We're coming toward Christmas. I'm getting a load of jobs finished before Christmas, and then I'm going to revamp this new workshop, because as good as it is, it's not set up the way I'd like. It's not set up for me to be the most productive. It's like this bench here. This bench, one bench, should be 2 benches. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rearrange how this works. I'm going to rearrange where the camera goes. And I'm going to be moving over to this window over here. So I'm going to have 2 benches. One, because one's going to be used for fretting on that side, on the far side. And the near side here is going to be used for my setup. So I want to be right in front of this. There's a window right next to this camera, and that's the window I want to be using for natural daylight. So I'm going to be setting up over here, and I'm going to be fretting over there. I'm going to also find a new place for a camera, which goes a little bit further back. And I think it's going to work. So you see, well, that's going to happen over this Christmas period. I don't think I'm taking anything else in right now, but that is it. I've got to go. So I will be back shortly. Bear with me a second. That's it. Before I go, just remind you my website, facebook.com/ng17. That's facebook.com/NGONESEVENI Victor. I'm your fret friend. Till the next time, God bless you. Be good to each other, and I'll see you soon.